Welcome to the tutorial for using the Small Business Control Spreadsheet. This powerful tool is designed to help you efficiently manage your invoices, sales, and finances. Let's go through the main features. Basic navigation. The spreadsheet has 12 main tabs: Cover, Invoice, Quote, Sale History, 1-year analysis, 2-year analysis, 6-year analysis, Customer, Expenses, Supplier, Product Inventory, and Setup, plus a bonus, Regulatory Compliance Calendar. Creating unique IDs. Use a prefix, for example, SUP, followed by a number. This method ensures unique IDs across all tabs. Email. Function. Click Send Email to open your default email client with the supplier's email address pre-filled. Website link. Click the website URL to open the supplier's website directly. Finding suppliers. Use filters in each column for quick searches. Customization. Add columns as needed for additional information. Customer tab guide. Pre-filled ID. CUS01 is pre-filled for unregistered customers. Use this ID for quick invoicing when customer details are unknown. Unique IDs. For registered customers, use CUS prefix, followed by a number, for example, CUS02, CUS03. This ensures unique IDs across all tabs. Email. Function. Click Send Email to open your default email client with the customer's email address pre-filled. Notes. Column. Use for additional customer-specific information or reminders. Finding customers. Use filters in each column for quick searches. Customization. Add columns as needed for additional information. Operating expenses. Essential for business operations. Operating expenses are recurring costs necessary to keep a business running daily. They differ from direct costs of production or sale of goods. Examples in traditional businesses: rent, salaries and benefits, utilities, water, electricity, internet, marketing and advertising, insurance and licenses. Examples in online businesses: website hosting and domain, e-commerce platform, online security services, digital marketing, online payment processing. The categories come pre-filled for your convenience, but feel free to adapt them to your specific business needs. The key is to tailor this list to reflect the unique nature of your business. Efficiently monitoring and managing these expenses is crucial for the company's financial health and profitability. Operating expenses tab guide. ID system. Assign each expense an internal ID, for example, EXP1, EXP2. Record the invoice number and note your internal ID on the invoice for easy reconciliation. Tax deductibility. The recoverable column allows you to specify if the tax on an expense is deductible. This feature is crucial for accurate financial reporting, as tax deductibility varies by country and expense type. Dynamic filtering and totals. All columns have filters for easy data sorting and analysis. Use the date filter to view expenses for a specific period, e.g., monthly expenditure. Totals for item count, base cost, tax amount, recoverable tax, and total cost are dynamic, updating automatically based on applied filters. This system ensures organized expense tracking, accurate tax reporting, and flexible financial analysis tailored to your business needs. In the product inventory log, start with a unique product ID, for example, PROD1. Welcome to the Sales History tab, the heart of our spreadsheet. Let's break it down. Quick search. Find customers and products without leaving this tab. Just type names in the designated fields. Transaction recording. White columns are for manual input. Blue columns auto-calculate based on your entries. Dynamic totals. Key account totals update as you apply filters. Invoice count remains static. Invoice summary. A quick overview of values per invoice. This tab is designed for easy data entry and quick invoice lookups. To create an invoice, fill in all relevant fields here. Remember, discounts and special taxes are optional. Note the invoice number you want to bill. Check the box for that invoice. Go to the Invoice tab and select the invoice number from the drop-down. Client details and payment info will auto-populate. Print and you're done. For quotes, these are informal, so no recording needed. Go to the Quote tab and enter data manually. White columns are for your input, grey ones auto-calculate. Use drop-downs for product IDs and payment methods. Print when ready. Tip: save a copy of quotes if you want to track customer requests. Thank you for watching this video about the all-in-one small business management spreadsheet. It's important to note that what you've seen here is just a small sample of the full power of this tool. The complete tutorial covers all 13 tabs of the spreadsheet, offering a detailed view of each functionality: cover invoice, quote, sale history, 1-year analysis, 2-year analysis, 6-year analysis, customer expenses supplier product, inventory setup, regulatory compliance calendar. Each tab has been carefully designed to optimize your business management, from inventory control to complex financial analyses. To access the full tutorial and unlock the full potential of this tool, visit our store. The link to the product is in the description of this video. Remember, if you need customizations or additional Excel services, we're here to help. Invest in your business efficiency today. Purchase the all-in-one small business management spreadsheet and take your management to the next level.